Is your website, app, or another system connected to Google Sheets? Or do you use Google Sheets directly to collect emails and data from your contacts? In either case, you can connect your Google Sheet to an Email Chef list with just a few clicks. All the data in the sheet will be automatically synced to Email Chef, ready to be used. Any data you collect in the sheet will be immediately available to send targeted and personalized emails to your users. And now, let me explain how to do it. Once you've downloaded the Email Chef app, open your Google Sheet and click on Email Chef in the top menu. Then click to open the app. In the window that opens on the right, you'll be asked for the API keys needed to connect your document to a list in your Email Chef account. Click on Get the API key. If you're already logged into your Email Chef account, you'll be directed to the API Keys section in Settings. Click on Generate API Key. Give your key a name so you can remember what it will be used for. So, click on Generate an API Key. Copy the two codes into the fields where they're required. Before closing this window, make sure to copy the consumer secret code as well, otherwise you won't be able to retrieve it later and you'll have to generate a new key. Now, click on Login. Click the button for the first step to select the Email Chef list you want to connect to your Google Sheet. Select the list and then click Connect List. If you haven't created any lists yet, click on Create and connect a new list. Now let's move on to the second step. Click on Map Columns Fields. Match each column of your sheet with the corresponding Email Chef fields by selecting them from the drop-down menus on the right. Skip the columns you don't want to sync. If your Email Chef list is missing a custom field, you can create it on the fly here. Once you've matched all the fields you want to sync, click on Save. From this moment on, the data of the new contacts you enter in the columns of your sheet will also appear in the Email Chef list. The last step involves manually syncing the data that is already present in the Google Sheet. By clicking Yes, Sync Data Now, all the data from the sheet will be inserted into your Email Chef list. And here are all the contacts imported into the list. The app actively works in the background, ensuring that all new updates to your data are automatically reflected in your email list. If you add new columns in the sheet, you'll need to reassign the custom fields and use manual sync to update the list. If your sheet is connected to a Google form, you'll be able to collect data from your survey directly into a list in Email Chef.